So Palantir stock, guys, is not looking so good right now. It's about 12:45 p.m. on the East Coast, and the stock is down around 8%, right around $14.50 per share, down $1.20 on the day. And this is after just being at about $17 per share yesterday, guys. So yeah, the bears are here right now, so we have to break it down, the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do, my buying, selling, what's going on. But before we dive into it, do not forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000, link down below. Listen, guys, once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is exclusive to this channel, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And again, that's just with a $100 deposit, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And guys, listen to this, fund your account with at least $5,000 on top of all the stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Google or Tesla, guaranteed. So if you guys want to take advantage of the best promo by far right now, which is limited time, and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's talk about what's going on. So again, like I said, Palantir stock is down around 7.5%, 8% right now as we're about halfway through the day, guys. And mind you, all the indexes right now are in the red. We have the Russell down 0.1%, the Nasdaq's down over 1%. We have the S&P down 0.3% as the Dow is down. Actually, no, the Dow's up a little bit, but pretty much at break even. It's only up 19 points. And we have the VIX down around 4% as gold's down 0.2%, and we have silver down around 2%. So overall, guys, keep in mind, everything is down, so we can't just completely dog on Palantir right now. But it's selling off, right? It's selling off, and we're going to break it down right now. So again, down about 8%, and we hit $17 roughly yesterday in the morning. We had a nice run in the morning. I think we opened up at about $16. Yeah, we ran up to about 17, and now we're at $14.50, which means now we're almost, actually no, we're down over $2, about $2.50 from that $17 high that we just hit yesterday and the trading day before that, which means now Palantir is down 15.5% from the recent highs, which honestly, guys, is not that serious right off the bat. That's not that serious considering how much Palantir stock went up in the course of about a month, right? I mean, you guys probably remember in the beginning of May, we were at about $7.50 on Palantir stock, and it ran all the way to $17 by the beginning of June. So in a month, it doubled up and some, guys. We're talking about 130, 140% return. So for it to go down 15%, it is not too unreasonable. Let's put it that way. It's actually pretty healthy, to be honest, guys. In my opinion, this is a very healthy pullback. And if you guys caught my last Palantir video, which what's today? Wednesday. I might have made it on Monday, Sunday. I forget exactly when it was. We talked about a couple scenarios that could have played out. And actually, one of the scenarios that we talked about is actually playing out right now. So you guys probably remember, or maybe not, I'll tell you right now if you don't, we talked about how Palantir was riding the 50 SMA on the 4-hour time frame, right? Pretty much all throughout May into June, and really up until today, this morning, we were riding that 50 moving average, right? And a thing I pointed out in that last Palantir video, you know, when it comes to these charts, is the fact that we had and we still have a bearish divergence. Do you guys remember that? We talked about that, and let me show you guys here on the RSI. Let me make my face a little bit smaller, guys. Bear with me so you guys can see what the heck's going on, right? So we pointed out this bearish divergence a couple videos, or whenever that Palantir video was, and you guys can see right here, right? We were clearly making lower lows, lower highs on the RSI pretty much the whole time Palantir stock was climbing up, right? So at some point, if the bearish divergence were to play out, which it pretty much is now, we would get that sell-off, right? We would get some sort of pullback, and that's pretty much what we're doing right now. We failed to break, or rather hold, the 50 SMA. We broke under it, and now it looks like we're finally starting to get a legitimate pullback in Palantir, which, like I said a minute ago, this is very healthy. For everybody out there that's panicking, they're like, holy crap, Palantir, it's over. you got to relax. Take a freaking chill pill, drink some coffee, maybe take a sip of your water, relax, because the reality is, guys, this is very, very healthy, and we can't just go up and away. Like I say all the time on this channel, we can't just go up forever into infinity and beyond. I mean, that's just not the reality of the matter. So bearish divergence played out, boom. Now we're starting to see a bit of a sell-off. And the truth is, guys, there could be more selling to come. There could be more red around the corner before things get better and the bulls come in and see any sort of recovery, because as of now, let's be honest, I mean, let's call it for what it is. This is a falling knife, right? We're not showing any signs of a bottom, and the sell-off is super fresh, right? It's just been the last 3 hours of trading that we've seen this, bigger sell-off start to, spark off, right? So let's see if it continues for the next couple of hours. Let's see if it actually leads into tomorrow's session, guys, which if we go back to the 4-hour chart, and we can see here pretty clearly the 180 moving average is at about 1230 to about 1250. So maybe it comes down to that point. Maybe it comes down another $1.50, $2, maybe $1. And you guys might disagree with me. Let me know in the comments, please, as always. But I think we're going to be trading in this window over the next couple of days. Let me draw it out for you guys so you can see it right there. Boom. That's where we're going to be trading, in my opinion, later today, potentially, tomorrow, maybe later this week. I don't know. I mean, we only have, 2 more days of trading after this. So the way I'm looking at this is I'm looking to buy the dip on Palantir anywhere from, honestly, the closer to $12, the better. But anywhere from 13 to mid-13s, lower 14s. Actually, maybe not lower 14s. I'll give it a little bit more time to maybe go down more. But anywhere from 1250 to 1350, that's where I'm looking at Palantir here for maybe another rally. Because at the end of the day, even though we're selling off right now, bearish divergence is playing out. We're breaking under the 50 SMA. The bulls are still overall here in charge, which you guys can see. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to tell you that. So finally, we're getting a sell-off. Finally, it's cooling off a little bit, which is healthy, like I say all the time. And now I'm just waiting to see if, we get some sort of consolidation. Are buyers going to come in? Are they going to respect the trend line? Or is this going to flood, or rather flush right through $12 and start going back to 10, maybe under that, which I don't think is going to happen. Who knows? Never say never. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But we have to just keep an eye on it, right? 12, 13 bucks. That's where I'm looking at Palantir here for a potential dip buy. Let's see. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. And if you have not gotten your free money yet from Moomoo, what the heck are you waiting for, guys? It's literally waiting for you. Link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock, which right now is at what? 40 bucks per share, and that's actually exclusive to this channel. Literally, you can't get that stock through any other YouTuber's link, and now it's actually down 12% on the day. It's at 37 bucks, but still, it's a free share of C3AI stock, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to 2,000 bucks. That's just with a $100 deposit, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least 5,000 bucks, guys. You get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock on top of all the stocks you already got guaranteed. So if you guys want some free money, which it's literally free money, and if you don't like the platform, you can take out all your money that you deposited and you keep all the free stocks, and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next one.